Yo, what is going on? So this is how to use Tonhub Wallet. So the first step is to download and install. Download the latest version of Tonhub Wallet 2.3.18 from a trusted source. And then you're gonna launch and set up. You're gonna launch Tonhub app and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. You're gonna first create a PIN code for biometric login, optional. And then you're gonna set up a recovery phrase, important for self-custodial storage. Then you're gonna choose a name and password for the wallet and then proceed. After that, you're gonna find your wallet. To add your funds to your Tonhub wallet, send Toncoin from another wallet or exchange. Use the wallet's built-in exchange feature by Ton with other cryptocurrencies if available. After that, you're gonna manage your fund. Use Tonhub to send and receive Toncoins. Store and stake Toncoins up to 13.3 rewards every 36 hours. Migrate your wallet with single click. Security features. Tonhub offers robust security measurements, which are PIN and biometric login for added protection. No registration or personal information required. Compatible with all existing Ton wallets. Transaction speed and fees. Tonhub enables fast transaction speeds, low fees compared to other blockchains, and that is it.